This is the 2025 Mercedes S580. Not just a car, but the gold standard of modern luxury. Under the hood, a 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8. Inside, a rolling tech lounge with more screens than your living room. This isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about arriving like royalty. But is the S-Class still the king in 2025? Stay tuned. We're going deep inside the most advanced luxury sedan on the market. Step inside the S580 and the outside world vanishes. Not metaphorically, literally. The moment the soft closed doors seal, it's like someone pressed mute on the planet. The materials are the first thing you notice. Everything you touch, rich Napa leather, flowing piano lacquer wood, satin finished trim accents. Every detail is there to elevate your senses. But everything you see and touch feels crafted with intent. Cool to the fingers, warm to the eye. The ambient lighting wraps around the cabin in a soft gradient. It doesn't just look good, it feels like you've entered a high-end lounge at 35,000 feet. And then, front and center, that massive 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen. Razor sharp, responsive, effortless. This is the control center of the S580, running Mercedes MBUX system. It's not just a menu, it's an experience.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Say, "Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
turn on the seat ventilation."
Seat ventilation is turned on.
And you can change the cabin temperature, set the route, play your music, or activate a massage. And yes, you get multiple massage types, each one tailored to relax or refresh you. Pair that with heated and cooled seats, and the car starts to feel less like a vehicle and more like a wellness retreat. The Burmester 4D sound system turns every song into a live performance. It doesn't just play music, it moves it through the seats and into your spine. Bass you feel, highs so clean they sparkle. But honestly, it might be even better back here. In the rear cabin, everything changes. You're not a passenger, you're a VIP. First up, the executive seating package. Press a button and the seat reclines. The leg rest extends. The headrest pillow cradles your neck like you're about to nap on a private jet. And then, the rear touchscreen tablet. It controls everything. Climate, lighting, audio, navigation, seat functions. Need privacy? One tap, and the rear sunshades glide up smoothly. Need focus? Change the ambient lighting to cool blue. Need to unwind? Start a hot relaxing massage and let the road melt away. You've got dedicated air vents, individual climate zones, wireless charging, and yes, even heated armrests. And if you're riding at night, the ambient lighting creates a glow that feels more like a rooftop bar than a car. Most cars treat rear passengers as an afterthought. The S-Class treats them like royalty. It's not just a space and comfort. It's the control that makes you feel powerful. And the attention to detail, flawless. In the S580, you don't need to be in the front seat to feel like you're in charge. Let's talk about how the S580 actually drives. Because all this luxury wouldn't matter much if the ride didn't deliver. But it does. Silently, smoothly, powerfully. At low speeds, it's like floating through the city in a velvet cocoon. The air suspension glides over potholes, like their rear suggestions. The steering, light, effortless. Thanks to the rear axle steering, this long sedan corners like a compact. Tight spaces, no stress. And the e-active body control doesn't just react, it predicts. It scans the road ahead and pre-adjusts the suspension. No bumps, no drama, just glide. On the highway, the S580 is in its element. Double glazed windows, erased wind noise. The ride is firm but forgiving. You're cocooned in silence. Every movement feels perfectly intentional. And now, with the latest update for 2025, the car can even change lanes on its own. The active lane change assist function monitors your surroundings and, when conditions are safe, initiates a smooth overtake on its own. It checks for space, evaluates traffic, and gently moves the car into the next lane. No input needed. It's confident, intelligent, and subtle, like having an assistant who always knows the perfect time to pass. It's smooth, confident, and futuristic, like having a chauffeur who knows exactly when to move. Need power? Oh, it's there. Under the hood, a 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 with EQ Boost hybrid assist. 503 horsepower, 700 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.4 seconds, and to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. In comfort mode, it's smooth and calm. In sport, it tightens up, firms the suspension, and adds just a hint of AMG growl. This isn't a brute, it's a weapon wearing a tuxedo. And when night falls, the show begins. Digital light takes over. Each headlight has over 1 million micro mirrors. They paint arrows and warnings onto the road. They adapt to traffic, highlight pedestrians. It's like having your own light-based co-pilot. Inside, the glow of ambient lighting takes on a new mood. It's less car, more sanctuary. And in those quiet moments, gliding under streetlights, music low, you stop thinking about features and stats. You just breathe. This car doesn't just move you, it changes the way you feel while moving. So, who is the Mercedes S580 really for? It's for the person who doesn't just want luxury. They want peace, presence, intelligence. Someone who could buy a supercar, but chooses silence over noise, elegance over flash. The S580 doesn't scream for attention. It earns it. From the handcrafted interior to the whisper-quiet ride to the tech that quietly watches over you. It's built to serve, not to show off. This is a car for someone who values time, who wants every second on the road to feel like an upgrade. Whether you're behind the wheel or stretched out in the rear, you're not just traveling, you're arriving. Of course, it's not cheap, but then neither is time. And that's exactly what S-Class gives you more of. Time well spent. So if you're the kind of person who sees a car not just as a transportation, but as an experience, the S580 might be your next sanctuary on wheels. Let me know in the comments, is the S580 your dream car, or would you pick something else? And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video made you feel even slightly closer to owning one someday.